Hello students, how are you? I'm Pankaj, your computer teacher. In our last session, we have learned about many kind of functions. Functions are the predefined command that is used for the calculation manipulation in the Excel. Many type function we have used in our last session, like mod for getting the reminder, quotient for getting the quotient value, round up function, today for getting the current date of your system, max function, min functions. There are a lot of functions we have learned in our last section. Now, student, we are going to learn some other function, and its use, how it will be applicable. So, be with us. Let's start for the if function. If function are basically a conditional based function where all condition, as you know, all condition give it result. That is the true and or false. जब भी हम कोई कंडीशन अप्लाई करते हैं या तो यस और या तो नो में जवाब आता है यस यू कैन से ट्रू एंड नो यू कैन से फॉल्स। जब भी कोई भी कंडीशन अगर हम बात करते हैं तो वहाँ पे हमें दो ही रिजल्ट मिल सकते हैं। उसके अकॉर्डिंगली हम डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। एक्सेल में भी इफ फंक्शन प्रोवाइड किया गया है जहाँ पे आप कंडीशन के अकॉर्डिंग यस और नो डिफरेंट डिफरेंट ऑपरेशन परफॉर्म कर सकते हैं। हाउ यू विल डू इट, लेट्स सी ऑन एक्सेल। ओके, suppose students you have a value that is 50 and you want to check that if this cell has the value greater than 50, then your result will be true, otherwise false. For this you will use is equals to if. When you open the if, you will see that is a that accept the three parts. First is the logical part where we will give the conditions. Second, value if true, and second part says value if true means when the condition will be this condition will be true, then what will we do, and if the condition will be false, what we will do, we will, yeah, so we will write here t and greater 50. We will write select the cell range greater than, then we use 50. If b2 cell has greater than 50 value, then it will return the true, then we can say greater, we will write greater, and otherwise value if false, then we am saying that will be false. You will enter the bracket, you will press the enter, you will see that is a false because p2 do not have the value greater than 50. If we press here 50, then it will be greater because greater than 50 means 51 or above. Okay, as it is, if we do like this, if this cell is greater than 50, then add plus, otherwise add minus, we want to do this. अगर इस B2 सेल में जो वैल्यू है वो 50 से अधिक है तो क्या हो जाए, तो इसमें 50 प्लस हो जाए, अदरवाइज प्लस 10 माइनस हो जाए। तो हम क्या लिखेंगे, देन दिस ग्रेटर देन 50 प्लस 10 कॉमा, अगर बड़ा नहीं है देन इट विल माइनस 10। ओके, टू अंडरस्टैंड, अगर B2 में 50 से अधिक वैल्यू है तो उसमें 10 जुड़ जाएगा, अदरवाइज उसमें क्या हो जाएगा, 10 कम हो जाएगा। अभी हमारे पास वैल्यू है 51 और यहाँ पे हमने प्रिंट किया दैट इज 61। तो यहाँ पे हम देख रहे हैं कि 51 50 से अधिक है, इस वजह से देन 10 प्लस होगी। इफ वी राइट हेयर 43, then result will be 33, 10 will be minus because we have give the condition कि 10 क्या हो जाए, माइनस हो जाए। It is applicable for those states. On another example we can do it that suppose Ravi have the marks, Ravi is the name, and we have the maths marks is 49. Suppose here you want to present the result. If he pass, as it is Ravi, Shyam, 38, Rekha, get the 40, 67. Here we can write the result. Result. If result, suppose our passing marks is 45 marks. So if any student got less than 45 marks, then he or she will be fail. Otherwise, he will get. So here we are giving the result. 49 is greater than or is equals to 45. Then अगर 45 या 45 से अधिक नंबर कोई पाता है तो वो पास डिक्लेयर, then it will say pass. Otherwise, it will say fail. Okay. Press enter. You will say that he is passed. When you copy the formula on other cells, then you will say that Shyam is failed because he get 38 marks, which is less than 45. If we change the number that we are going to 44, then Shrekha will also fail because he get 45 marks, 44 marks. That is the use of if function, where we get the number of condition based expression, condition based formula we can apply. Now student, you will have seen that how it will be applicable. Now student, one more important thing, that if you want to use the formula, here is the formula tab. You can see it is a formula library, function library. You will see here you can it is a function library. There are a lot of category are there, that you can say auto sum, financial, logical, text, date and time, lookup, maths, more functions. There are a lot of library available in the Excel for calculating the things. For applying any type of formula, you have to know about the category. About अगर आप category के according function चाहते हैं, then you can search from this. For example, if we want to use the math related function, then it is you will click, you will get all the math related function will be appear here. Here you can get the all math related functions like IBS, absolute value, factorial, exponents, LCM, rand function, radians, quotient, product, power, pi, odd number. There are a lot of functions are available in the maths library. As it is, if you want to date related function, then you will get many time of date related functions, date, value, date, date, hour. As it is, if you want to text related function, then you can get it from this. There are a lot of text related function you have to apply. You can apply on this. Okay. If you don't know what function should be applied here, then you can search also. For firstly, we have going to learn about the function. Suppose 12 and 15 we have, and we want to calculate the GCD, greatest common divisor. Then we will use the insert functions. Okay, and here you will see that a search for a function option are available, and we will type the GCD. So you will see that here is the GCD function are available. You want to multiply number, then you will search for multiply, go. You will see product we are using for multiplication. We want to add numbers, then we will write here add numbers. So you will see add number, your sum you are using. So with the help of insert function and here search box, you can search any type of formula. If you don't know about this, in which category you can find this, you can easily find out with the help of add number formula. For example, we are going to be know about the GCD. So we are going to GCD. We will click select GCD function and click on OK. Then you will see that your function are written here. Only you will have to pass the arguments. Okay. Here you can see that message return the greatest common divisor. It returns the definition of the GCD function. Number 1, number 2, number 3 and 255 values. That means you can calculate the GCD with the approx 255 values. Here we are going only two values, then we will write the number 1 and number 2. We will click here first cell number 2, that is 15. You can also, if you have any other number, you can write here cell address. Up to 255 values you can put in here. Okay, you will see that is the answer. Here you can also do it by manually. Is equals to GCD. You will open it. Here you can use cell address, comma, press the enter. Same result will be. If you want to do any other things, is equals to GCD, and you want to give as it accept the number, comma number format, so you can give the list at least with the help of colon. So we can give the 12 colon 3 and we will use it. You will see that the result is it is the GCD of the V1 to V4. Okay, you can get it. Okay. Logical functions are also available, and if we have understands if function about the if functions, if you want to any function, if you want to apply, then you have to know the category. If you don't know category, you will go and insert function, and here you will write the for example we are going to learn sum. Okay, so here is the sum, and okay, you will see that sum function are applied. You will give the cell address in second number. You will get the cell address. If you only applied only two numbers want to add, then you can add up to 255 numbers with the help of sum function. That is the restriction. Okay, here we are doing only two numbers, and you will click okay. You will see that, and your answer is here. Okay, so I hope you understand how to use the formula function library. A function library categorized in many categories, and all categories had different kind of functions. If you don't know function's name, then you will go to the insert function and you will search the function name, function description from here. You will get the desired function which is already defined in the Excel. Okay, now students, we are going to learn some other things about that. If uh, we use the functions and we got some error, there are some kind of error we accept from the function when we apply it. For example, uh, here I am saying first thing, if the cell range is low and we want to multiply that for the 99999, and second is there are two greatest number and we are going to give the product here is equals to this and multiply sign, then you will see it will shows hash. Okay, this error will shows so when the value length is exceeded according cell. जहाँ पे सेल पे नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर एटलीस्ट हम 4 ही यूज कर सकते हैं। यहाँ पे नंबर ऑफ कैरेक्टर जब ज्यादा हो जाते हैं और सेल में वो वैल्यू पूरी फिलफिल नहीं हो सकती, देन ये हैश 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 का साइन हमें मिलता है. Okay, this error shown when the value length is exceeded according cell. The first type of error you can get on the formula, that is okay. And next type error, if you anything you will going to divide in when you divide 45 for using 8, and here you will divide is equals to 45 comma 8. You will get the 5.663. But suppose if you divide from the 0, if you divide from the 0, then such error will be applicable. Then such error will be applicable when you divide from 0. जब भी आप किसी चीज को 0 से डिवाइड करने की कोशिश करेंगे तो इस तरह का एरर देखने को मिलेगा. div स्लैश 0, दैट्स मीन्स कि डिवीजन 0 ये एरर वैल्यू शो आउट करेगा जब भी आप कोई भी डिवीजन 0 से करने की कोशिश करें. ओके, come to the next. Here I am writing that some text hello, and we are going and here I am writing is equals to, and we are going to multiply by 2. You will see has value. Has value says that operation you are doing it is not possible. Okay, this shows the formula have invalid operations. Formula have invalid operations because here we are going to b3 into 2, and b3 have the text value. It is a numerical value, and uh, numerical value and text value cannot be multiplied, so this value will be sent. The formula have the invalid operations. Okay, second things, here I am not write anything, hello is going on. Okay, and 2 is also not available. So one more type of error, that is hash n by a. This function is this type of error available. This error shows when the data is not available. Okay, when data will be not available, then this type of error will be shown. There are some 4 type of error you can apply it. That is the first time hash hash hash, that is used when the cell range is small and you cell result is more than the cell range. And second, hash div slash 0. Its error shows when you divide something with the 0. And hash value when if you applied any wrong formula functions. If you have any invalid operation in it, then it will show this error. Okay students, I hope you understand how you will use this formulas, how you will use formula tab, how you will insert the formula, what is the properties of the formula, what is the type of error you will see when you apply the formula. I hope all of you understand these things. Okay, now if you have any confusion, then you can ask me. Otherwise, you will do your homework properly on time and keep proper note. Okay, so we will meet in our next classes. Till then, keep watching and be safe. Thank you.